Hello everyone, welcome to Accounting 101, Financial Accounting. My name is Patrick Borja and I'm the instructor. I would like to take the next few minutes introducing you to Canvas and CengageNOW. What we're looking at here is the course homepage on Canvas. And as you see on this homepage, there's a series of links. When you get started, take a moment to look at the welcome page. It introduces you to the course and briefly talks about what the course entails. Take some time to go through the syllabus. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the syllabus. And the syllabus provides some general information about myself, the required course material, a description of the course, and what we will be covering in the course over the next several weeks, the various objectives of the course, and some of the course requirements. Breaks down what the assignments are, any comprehensive problems such as an accounting cycle problem, the exams we'll be having, a breakdown of the points. The syllabus also includes the course policies such as participation and the drop policy, discusses academic integrity and accommodations for students with disabilities. So again, take a few minutes when you have a moment and look through the syllabus. I'm going to return to the home page and I want you to get started here. So once you've gone through the syllabus and looked at the welcome page, what I want everyone to do first is to get started and register on Cengage. Cengage is the platform in which we'll be using to administer the homework and some of the exams. Now to get into my course on CengageNOW, I provided a link. Now there's a short video explaining how to register, but I'll walk you through it here. So when you click on this link, it'll take you to a specific Cengage website, or web page, as to say, for my specific course, Accounting 101, Summer 2018. If you're a new student and you've never used Cengage before, go ahead and create a new account. If you're a returning student and have an existing account with Cengage, go ahead and enter your email address if you remember and your password. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, once you log in, you'll come to this page and it'll say you have 14 days of temporary access. So right now at this point, you will have access up to 2 weeks, or in this case, as of today, I have 14 days to access the ebook and the access code. So I can wait about a week and a half or so, before I purchase the code and book. But once that trial period ends, I'm going to be locked out of the of having access to the ebook and the homework assignments until I purchase the access code. Now these are some purchase options through this link or the website. If you're going directly through Cengage, they give you an option of buying just the access code. There's no loose leaf book. However, when you buy the access code, you do have access to the ebook as well. Now the Citrus College Bookstore sells a loose leaf book bundled with the access code. So if you prefer having a hardcover book or a physical book as well as the ebook and the access code, I'd compare prices because it's not that much different in terms of price. They also provide add-ons where I believe you can purchase the book and the access code, and I think it might be a little more expensive by doing so, or even renting the book. Again, check the Citrus College website or go to the Citrus College Bookstore or if you just want to have the access code alone with the ebook, you can purchase it through this link. We go back here and take a look at the course. Okay, now I'm going to click on this link which says open, right? CNOW digital course. And it takes me to the assignments page. Now at this point in time, right, since the course is not open, you're not going to see any assignments under assignments I can take now. Actually, they're going to be available shortly. If I click on all assignments, I'll be able to view what all the assignments are for the course, and they're all listed here. Right? Whatever says practice not graded, again, these are optional. You will not receive any points. This will not hurt your grade if you do not attempt these. These are just for you to practice. Okay. On this page, it shows all the due dates for the assignments. If you notice, on each due date, the assignments are due at 11:55 p.m., so make sure you submit it by that time. Under this link here, you have study tools, and you have something called an adaptive study plan. You have study tools, and you have ebooks. I would take a moment when you have time to look through these three links here, at least the first two links, the adaptive study plan and the study tools. I do want to mention something. Part of this adaptive study plan includes a diagnostic quiz. You're going to see that same adaptive study plan as a required assignment. You see here. Okay. So under the assignments tab during the course of the next several weeks, these are graded assignments under the assignment tab. Okay. However, you're able to practice or have access to those quizzes under this link, under study tools. So just keep that in mind. So when you take the diagnostic quiz under the adaptive study plan link here, okay, and you click on one of the chapters, such as chapter 1, okay. If you're taking the quiz here, it's not going to count towards your grade. You have to actually access the adaptive study plan through the assignments page. Just keep that in mind. Another thing I want to mention is when you do take the quiz, right, the required quiz, I'll show you how this works. Okay. In this case, there's 23 questions. You can answer the various questions. Okay. And you can submit the quiz for review. When you take the quiz under assignments, you can take it repeatedly. However, once you submit the quiz at the very end, right, there'll be a submit button. And I made a video for that, that's on Canvas that you can view. You're only allowed to submit the assignment once, but you can take the quiz right within the assignment multiple times. So just make sure that if you want to return back to it, that you do not press submit the assignment. Can you submit the quiz for grading? That's fine. But once you submit the assignment, that's when it's graded, and you will no longer be able to take that assignment again. Okay. I'm going to go back to Canvas, right, and go back to the home page. I mentioned something about the textbook and access code earlier, and you have some different options where you can buy the bundled access code and textbook at the bookstore. You can purchase the access code and the textbook through the Cengage website when you register, or you can actually go through the special microsite as well, right? So you have a few options. Again, compare prices and purchase whatever you feel comfortable with. This link, you have different announcements that I'll be posting throughout the course, reminders for exams, other information. Mention the course syllabuses here. Under the modules, this just shows the different learning modules for the course. I provided some various videos that I found that might be helpful or help reinforce certain concepts or introduce concepts that you're learning in the course. These are additional videos outside of what is included in CengageNOW. This link has some instructor materials. What you'll find here are some PowerPoint slides, possible notes that I may have. Okay, this is my Google Drive, and so you may find some information there that might be useful. This link introduces me and provides information about me, myself, the instructor. And then down below here, you have some supplemental accounting videos that you can view. Again, so you have a lot of resources to help reinforce or introduce or explain the various concepts you'll be covering in class over the next several weeks. Well, I hope this information was helpful, this tutorial was helpful. If you do have any questions, feel free to send me an email, and I'll be able to reply back to you as soon as possible. Okay, well, good luck this term, and I'll be talking to you again soon.